Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. I'm Daedran. Bob Marley and the Wailers' Satisfy My Soul earns its silver certification in the UK. Now over the weekend, the British Phonographic Institute, BPI, officially verified the 1978 classic Satisfy My Soul for registering sales of 200,000 units. This marks Bob's third single to receive a UK certification this year. The others are Exodus, which went silver back in March, followed by the double platinum certification of the iconic Could You Be Loved in April. The uptick in sales follows the release of the highly successful Bob Marley biopic, One Love. Reggae sensation Remain Virgo and wife announced pregnancy with their third child. To God be the glory is the statement made by the gentleman Remain Virgo in an Instagram story following the announcement by wife Elizabeth. The Virgo shared the exciting news with fans on Sunday with a video posted to Instagram with the caption, "So unexpected, but to God be the glory, great things he has done. Amen." In the video, Elizabeth assured that though scared and surprised, she is happy for the new addition to the family.
What does this say, guys? May I remain, I wonder if it's just us. Like, suppose we alone can see it. I only see one.
Yeah.
Good news, guys. I'm really surprised and a little bit scared. And I'm happy. Of course, I'm happy. But we can't believe.
Following the announcement, the two were met with love from their Instagram family. The couple welcomed twin daughters back in 2020. Congrats, guys. Now, Madonna pulls 1.6 million people with a free concert in Brazil, her biggest yet. The concert, which was held over the weekend on Copacabana Beach Saturday night, turned Rio de Janeiro's vastest stretch of sand into an enormous dance floor, swarming with a multitude of her fans. The pop singer delivered some of her classics like a Virgin and hung up. For the introduction to Like a Prayer, her head was completely covered in a black cape with a rosary gripped in her hands. Now paying an emotional tribute to all those who died from AIDS, Madonna sang Live to Tell with all the black and white photos of people who succumbed to the illness flashing behind her. Brazilian news outlet G1 reported an estimated 1.6 million people attended the show, citing Rio City Hall's tourism agency. That is more than 10 times Madonna's record attendance of 130,000 at Paris's Parc des Sceaux in 1987. Madonna's official website hyped the show as the best ever in her 4-decade career. Rio spent the last few days readying itself for the performance. It was the last show of the celebration tour, her first retrospective, which kicked off in October in London. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.